Welcome to Moss Reviews. Now we're going to be doing the unboxing of the weighted heating pad by Comfytemp.
Okay, so we're just gonna unbox it, and then we'll show how it works, and then we'll do a review of it. So it comes in this box. As you can see in the front, here's the back. There's the information right here for household use only. It gives you all the information. It has an email and everything. So, okay. So it gives you a manual. Here's the manual. It gives you washing instructions and everything. Don't lose that. So you have your specifications, product diagram, how to use the heating pad, about the heating pad. You have different language plus actually not. Washing instructions, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. Warranty.
Pay attention.
There's that. So it doesn't get moldy. All right, so here we have the heating pad. And of course it has a disconnect. It's right here. You click it. So it has a connector like that. And you're going to want to press in and click in. Here's the manual. It has high, medium, low. So here, let's do this real quick, and then we can see the actual, if it lights or what it does.
Yep.
So just give me a second. We have a...
It's convenient how we have a plug right next to where we're doing this thing.
Yep. Okay. So make sure to take the sticker off. And the sticker also has warnings and tips. So it tells you it is normal that the controller may become a little warm when using it. Please don't worry. If you want to turn off the 2-hour auto off function, please press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Now I'm actually going to keep this right here where I can see the information. Let's see if I can find a good spot where it won't. Oh, actually, this one has more of a room.
Yep.
So I'm putting the sticker right in the box.
Yeah.
And I'm keeping this.
That was useful information.
So this is it does show a red symbol. It also has the power off. So it says hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you notice the 2-hour timer went off. Then you hold it for 1, 2, 3. It went back on. So you click high, medium. So it turns off if you keep on clicking once it gets past the high. So low, medium, high, and then off. This is the front. Very smooth.
Yeah.
Kind of like almost like silk.
I like the way it feels.
Yeah. And so
Cool.
we'll test it out and then we'll do a review. Okay, so now we've tested the heating pad for approximately 2 or 3 months, probably like 20 or 30 times because I have a shoulder issue that I'm dealing with, also spinal. It does have 3 levels, low, medium, high. The high doesn't, it's not as high as a lot of the heating pads I've tried, but it does get hot. It does have a 2-hour auto off time. It's really good. One thing I do enjoy about this one is it's extremely soft. It also has, it's kind of weighted a little bit. And so it presses, I think, more as opposed to the ones that are just flat and they're not weighted as much, and so it's easier to just keep in place. And so they're, as you can tell, this material is super soft. And so if you like that type of texture, also the inside soft, it's easy to remove this part, because I guess you could wash it a little bit as well. I think it says do not dry clean in, wash instructions. So it gives you washing instructions, what you can do with it. And so also one thing I do like is that the device right here is long enough where you could just relax and you could maneuver it while you're sitting down, so it's not as short as a lot of them. Also, the cable is a little bit long. So, but just a great product. We've used it quite often. I'm happy that I'm able to continue to use it. I would say this is one of the better heating pads that I've tried, just because of the weighted and also the softness. It's not scratchy, or it doesn't. The material is really nice. So, great heating pad. Highly recommend if you're looking for a heating pad. So this is let me remember the name, the Comfytemp heating pad. So see you in the next video.